Hi everyone, today we're taking a look at these heated gloves. Let's go ahead and open them up, show you guys what you get. You get a manual, carry-in bag, charging cable, adapter for a wall outlet, and this is what they look like. All you need to do is press in the center button here to release them from each other. You'll find your battery packs inside. Make sure you take off the plastic. Pop the cap off. Connect your battery after you have it charged, connected like this. Slide it in the whole way. And then go ahead and place your battery back inside. And now let's go ahead and see how it feels. Nice warm fit. I love how it comes together right at your wrist. Freely move your fingers around, which is really nice. So for this, you press and hold to turn it on. And now you're going to see 3 red bars. 2 red bars, 1 red bar, and then back to 3. 3 is going to be your maximum heat. 2 is going to be medium. 1 is going to be low. Let's go ahead and test this out, see how it heats up. Okay, it took us about 40 seconds for us to start noticing the heat, and we can definitely feel it heating up right up on the top of our fingers. So I can definitely feel it heating up there. I feel it heating up around right here on my thumb. Definitely feel it heating up over the knuckles. It is slowly heating up. It kind of goes like this, across, then through the fingers, kind of down like this. The fingertips are warming up pretty good, so that's a plus. Maybe not the pinky so much. The pinky's getting the least amount of heat, but overall, they're nice.